Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Temu discounts. Looking for ways to get discounts on Temu? Let's dive into all the options available. Let's start by the first step, which is to browse the deal sections. And to do that, just download the Temu app. And after you open it, you can either download it from Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you use. iPhone or Android, or in some cases if you're using your computer, you can just access Temu's website using your web browser. Now I'm using in this video my Android device, so like you see, this is the Temu app. After you open it, or if you open your website, go to the deal section. There you will find discounted products across various categories. You always see the best sellers, like this one, deals, right next to the lightning icon right here. Here you can see the deals, and you'll find discounted products across various categories. You can also use coupons and credits. Check for the coupon tabs for available discounts, and you can also apply Temu credits earned from promotions to reduce your order total. The third thing you can do is to refer friends. Invite friends to join Temu using your referral link, and once they sign up and make a purchase, you'll both receive rewards or discounts. And watch for seasonal sales also. Temu runs special promotions during holidays or events, offering significant discounts on selected items. And don't forget to subscribe for notifications. And to do that, just sign up for Temu's emails and push notifications to receive updates about exclusive discounts and limited time offers. You can also combine coupons, credits, and sale prices for maximum savings, and check product reviews to ensure you're getting quality items at discounted rates, and act quickly on flash sales or time-limited deals as they often sell out fast. And that's it. These were some informations and some tips on how to get Temu discounts. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.